potential. You got, you got potential.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all see the title, you already know what today is. Today I will be going to get my hair done, y'all. Going to a hairstylist here in Killeen. I'm going to get my hair done. I am going to be installing this beautiful wig from Royal Impressions, you guys. I will leave everything linked down below along with the coupon code if y'all are interested, okay? So I just want to show y'all the wig before it is plucked, before the knots are bleached, just so y'all can know exactly what y'all are getting straight from Royal Impressions, okay? So I do believe Royal Impressions is available on Amazon, which is good because y'all know what that means. Amazon Prime, your wig will be at your house within days. I got my wig within 3 days. Literally, this wig was in front of my house in 3 days. From the time I ordered it, it was in front of my house in 3 days, okay? So I just want to show y'all real quick before we head to the hair salon. If you guys like these videos better than just me installing the wig, let me know and I can actually do this more. So I went ahead and decided to pick out a burgundy wig. I know it's not like a summer color, but girl, whatever. So your wig, of course, comes in this gorgeous satin drawstring bag, and it comes with a matching satin band for your edges. If you know, you know. This is kind of like bonnet scarf material. And then lastly, they sent me a wig cap, which is clearly too dark for my head. So don't know what I'm gonna do about this, but this is too dark for me, but it's okay. I don't know if y'all know, but a lot of these companies are very selfish when it comes to sending long wigs. A lot of these companies, they want to send you a 22, 18, and 16, okay? So Royal Impressions was kind enough to send me a 26-inch, okay, y'all, a 26-inch body wave burgundy wig with a 13x4 frontal. I'll leave all the information about this wig linked down below. You already know. So this is the gorgeous wig. Y'all see the hair color. I really wanted to get a color that I have not done, but unfortunately this color is not in rags, but it's fine. So this is the wig. So y'all, the wig does come stuffed with this tissue paper. This is the wig straight out of the package, y'all. Look at the bounce, the curl, the length. It is 26 inches, y'all. It cannot even fit completely in the screen. So it's really bouncy, flowy. Absolutely love this. Let me show y'all the lace. Move to the top floor and flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches person, they flocking together. Can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall, cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and start in with some braids. Y'all, guess what? My hair is actually long enough to go back into cornrows with no braiding hair. So clap, 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 applaud for my hair growing, y'all. So she just started off with some edge control, and then she's gonna go right into the ball cap method, which I feel like the ball cap method is optional, y'all. If you want to use it, use it. If not, girl, you really don't need to. But she went in with a wig cap that was my skin color. As you see, the wig cap that Royal Impressions sent me was a little too dark, so I just went ahead and left that at home. She was nice enough to fleek me up, y'all. So y'all, this is my first time going to this young lady. I'll leave her link down below. She was very sweet. It was very nice of her to allow me to even record, because a lot of hairstylists, they don't be allowing that. But yeah, that was very nice of her to allow me to record. All right, y'all. So now she's going in with some hair glue, which I'm be honest, some hair glues be breaking my hairline out. And when I did take off this wig install, I did have a big pimple on my hairline. So I don't know, but certain wig glues don't be doing it for me. I do have a wig glue that I use that I really recommend. I'll use it in the next video. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, let me know. But this is my hair. I'm just waiting for my hairline to dry. Then she went ahead and put some makeup on the hairline. Then she's going to go ahead and cut it. Y'all, so that's the purpose of a ball cap method. I know some of y'all are like, why the fuck do y'all put those on your head, y'all? the purpose of the bald cap method is to look as bald-headed as possible. And disclaimer before I, play music and let y'all enjoy this video. Y'all, the lace was very dark. It's given very much for a dark-skinned woman. It does not match my skin tone at all. I do recommend this wig. The customer service is great. The shipping was very quick, but child, that lace was not meant for my skin tone. But y'all will see later on down in the video. So, as y'all can see, like I was telling y'all, the lace is kind of ashy, y'all. It doesn't look too bad here, but when she cuts the lace and applies the glue, you guys will see how dark it is on my head. I only left this wig in for about 3 days because the lace was just too dark and it was just so obvious. So, I do recommend this for a darker woman, as I stated. So, I know the hairline looks a little crazy. But she does actually pluck the wig while it's on your head. Usually a lot of hairstylists pluck it while it's on a mannequin. She don't do that, okay? And like I stated, she did actually a very good job for what she was giving y'all. I didn't even notice that the lace was this dark, okay? But she's still gonna melt that beach. I promise you that.
I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance, I could see it. I'm not trying to be out of my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, honey. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got you.
All right, y'all know I'm pregnant, so I gotta eat. And at this point, when she cut the lace, we could kind of tell just by looking in the camera that it was gonna be dark. Like I told y'all, she did the best she could. I'll leave her link down below if y'all are interested in going to her. I will go to her one more time, of course, because I don't want y'all to be like, she can't do hair. Yes, she can. She did the best she could, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and put some curls in this wig, y'all. We're gonna do like 2 little ponytails with curls, because I know y'all are tired of me doing side parts and middle parts. So we're gonna go ahead and lace that down. Melt that lace. I did notice that that spray she's using is actually very popular now. It's like the Tresemme holding spray, and I think I'm gonna start using that for my installs.
I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch. I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit. Hey, they say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches she love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing is style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money deep. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these streets, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top floor and flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches birds and they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be choosy. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money deep. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out the ground in the mud. Yeah, look at it glisten, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, we pink and green. Fuck on the naked, bust on the spleen. Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a plug, keep a trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you drunk, I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't got to see. Been in the roof and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need. I check out the motor, gotta have some speed. Do it by focus, I can see the feed. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get this shit out the ground in the mud. When they got rich out the ground in the mud. I'm riding the roads and the meek is a road. 911 pushing the trunk is a hood. Told her come through, come and sit on this wood. Neighborhood truck used to cap off a jug. Fuck the net in the back of the hood. I never read and keep that understood. Ain't going backwards, I don't think I could. These labels be trapping rappers like they should. Got M's in a bad bitch, I feel life is good. They making the payment, held down on my foot. Been patiently waiting, wish a nigga would. Just drop a location, my niggas are done. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to school. Just picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on the cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time, it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly red, so I'm sipping that test. Go get it up, must. But go get it up, pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got this shit out there, ground in the mud. I blow push, got these clouds out of butt. Throw them rats up in it like a flood.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got out of you niggas, write it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but the good was just for me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still go above for me? Blowing back to make me feel lovely. When I'm gone, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance, I could see it. I'm not tryna be out here with my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it all by my hand. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential.
Okay, you guys, so this is the hair, y'all. My hair is finally done. The hair took the curls very, very well. I decided to go with a different style because y'all know I always do the same-ish. And at this point, I was very tired. Y'all know I'm pregnant. But this is the gorgeous hair that Royal Impressions Hair sent me. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Well, a 9 out of 10 because of the lace. The lace was so hard to work with because it's so dark. But this is the hair they sent me. Very soft. Very beautiful. I will leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing from them. And thank you again to Royal's Impression Hair.
You got potential.